Hello, dear children. Today we'll study the real life story of a courageous lady whose name is Helen Keller. This chapter is at page number 49 of your book. Before reading the chapter, let me give you a little bit of information about Helen Keller and a short summary of the story so that you could understand the story in a more better way. So, बच्चे Helen Adams Keller, what was her full name? Helen Adams Keller was an American author, political activist and lecturer. Beta, she was not only an author, she was a political activist, means she participated in the political activities also, and she was a lecturer also. Okay. But she was 19 years old when illness left her blind and deaf. Bachche, she was only 19 months old, means near about 1.5 years. When illness left her, she became ill, and then after illness, she became blind and deaf. She struggled to communicate or understand the world around her until she found a gifted teacher who became her lifelong companion. Beta, she struggled hard to communicate. She was blind also and deaf also, means वो ना तो देख सकती थी और ना वो सुन सकती थी. Okay, but still she struggled hard to communicate or understood everything around her. Okay, and she found a gifted teacher. उसको एक टीचर मिल गई, ऐसी टीचर मिल गई जिसने उसकी हेल्प की, and she became her lifelong companion. वो उसकी lifelong friend बन गई. Her name was Annie Sullivan. What was her name? Annie Sullivan. So let's read this inspiring story which tells us that how a person can succeed in spite of facing huge challenges. Okay, beta, we will read in this story that how a person can succeed. एक इंसान कैसे succeed कर सकता है even though he or she is facing lot of challenges in life. So let's read the story together. It was 1880. A healthy girl child was born in a small town in Alabama. Now beta, it was the time of 1880 and a girl child was born in a small town in Alabama. Her parents named her Helen. उसके parents ने उसका क्या नाम रखा? Helen. But one day she became ill and her health went on declining day by day. अब एक दिन क्या हुआ बेटा? She became very much ill. वो बीमार हो गई और जो उसकी health थी वो day by day down जा रही थी. Everyone in the family was very much worried about her. Now everyone was very much worried about the girl, and they tried their best to help Helen to get better. Okay, everyone was trying their best that she could come out of her illness. बट ऑल इन वेन, पर उसका कोई भी फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ. दे थॉट दैट द बेबी गर्ल मे नॉट लिव. अब उनको सबको क्या लगता था कि बेबी गर्ल अब सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकेगी. ओके, बट बाय द गॉड्स ग्रेस, अब गॉड्स की ग्रेस से क्या हुआ? शी सर्वाइव्ड, बट देयर वॉज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद हर. बेटा, उसने सर्वाइव तो कर लिया बट उसके साथ कुछ गलत था. The parents found out that the child could not see or hear. अब parents ने क्या find out किया? That there was something wrong with the child, that she could not see or hear. Now the days passed and she grew up into a little girl. Now beta, as the days passed, she grew up, she became big, she grew up to a little girl. The parents were very much worried about her. Why they were worried? Because she cried all the time and her mother used to hold her in her arms. But every time she used to cry, and she was so much irritated all the time that she wants her mother to hold her in her arms. But though Helen could not see or hear, she was a bright girl. Beta, वो देख नहीं सकती थी, सुन नहीं सकती थी, yet she was a very bright girl. Okay, some people thought Helen could not learn anything. Okay, now there were some people who thought that she won't be able to learn anything in her life. Okay, but her mother remained positive every time. She said that she will definitely do something in her life. Now, as I told you that Helen was a very smart and intelligent girl, but her parents thought that the only problem was how to reach her. Means she was not lively, she was very reserved, and and as she was blind and deaf, it was very difficult to teach her anything. Beta, just imagine a person who is blind and deaf means वो person जो देख भी नहीं सकता और सुन भी नहीं सकता, उसको teach करना is very difficult. Okay, we have to find out one way or the other to teach such a person. So this was the problem her parents were also facing. Now gradually she became very wild, she remained angry all the time, she would not let anyone comb her hair. Means she became very stubborn. Stubborn means ज़िद्दी, वो बहुत ज़िद्दी हो गई. So her parents thought to find a good teacher for her. Now Miss Sullivan, who was a young teacher, agreed to help Helen. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll and she spelled the word DOLL with her fingers into Helen's hand. Now Miss Sullivan was a teacher beta. She agreed to help Helen. उसने हेल्प करने के लिए, हेलन की हेल्प करने के लिए मान गई. और फिर उसने क्या किया? She gave Helen a doll. As you can see in this picture, she's giving Helen a doll. She gave Helen a doll and then she spelled the word DOLL with her fingers into Helen's hand. उसने हेलन के हैंड पे अपनी फिंगर्स के साथ DOLL राइट किया. She used special hand signs to make the letters. उसने special hand signs use किए letters को make करने के लिए. Helen also spells the word DOLL, but she did not understand what she was doing. Now she was also following her teacher, but she did not understand what she was doing because beta, she was blind and deaf. Miss Sullivan was strict but kind. She was very strict beta, but she was very kind also. Helen liked her very much. So when Miss Sullivan spelled the words for Helen on her hand, she followed her teacher. Now as Helen liked Miss Sullivan so much, so whatever she did, whatever the words she spelled on her hand, she also followed her. Now one day what happened, Miss Sullivan put Helen's hands into the running water. Now beta एक दिन क्या हुआ, Miss Sullivan ने हेलन का हैंड रनिंग वाटर के नीचे दे दिया, वाटर में दे दिया. Then she spelled WATER. Then what did she spelled? She spelled WATER. Okay. Suddenly Helen understood that water meant something wet. Now Helen understood that WATER meant something wet. Means water कुछ कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जो गीली होती है. Running over her hand. She understood that words were the most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. She understood the importance of all the things and the words in the world. So students, did you see how Helen struggled in her life to learn the words? Though she was blind and deaf beta, yet she followed her teacher and realized the importance of words. So we should not give up in times of difficulties. Rather, we should fight with them. Okay? Thank you.